Hello, boys. Welcome to the science section today. As we are discussing before, organs of the body, major organs of the body. So here we have the question: what do our major organs do? What are the functions of major organs? Find out about the main functions of the major organs. The big idea is each organ performs its own job to keep us alive. So in this section or in this session we will discuss their jobs. Okay, question number 1 is how many of the major organs can you name? How many? Saud, how many organs do you know? You can write here six organs. Very good, Mishali. Six organs. You can find the names here: heart, lungs, brain, stomach and intestines, kidneys, and liver. These six we discussed before, so you know that. Okay, so your answer should be here. Okay, right here. Heart. I will make it smaller.
So then,
Two. Lungs. Three. Kidneys. Four. Liver. Five. What is the fifth one? Heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, brain, and number six, stomach and intestines. Heart, lungs, kidneys, liver, brain, stomach, and intestines. So you can name six of the organs, right? Question number two, we will finish and then we will move towards reading. If the heart pumps once every second, that means it pumps 3,600 times in in an hour. Work out how many times it pumps in a day. In a day. So we will make a mathematical equation. Okay, 3,600, right? We will multiply this. Okay, multiply 24 because we have 24 hours. In 1 hour it pumps 3,600. So we have 24 hours in a day. We multiply this with 24. So it became 3,000 3,000 multiply by 24, 86,000 thousand and 400. 86,400. This is the answer. Here you have the answer. Okay, got it? If you have any kind of question or any misconception, you can ask. Concept is clear? Okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask. We had 36 hours, 36 times in 1 hour, in an hour. So it's mean we have 24 hours in a day. So we multiply them. The answer is 86,400 hours, 400 times. Okay. So now we will move forward towards reading. Some major organs keep us alive by using the food we eat. Some major organs keep us alive by using air we breathe, like lungs. All our major organs need water to keep us alive. We drink water, and every organ takes water. The body is made up of different working parts. The parts that work together are called a system. Each major organ and its system has a special job to do. That this is called their function. Okay, like if heart pumps blood, this is its function. Lungs help us in breathing, so it's their function. Brain controls the body and gives order to the body, takes orders from the body, so it's its job. Stomach and intestines help us in absorbing food. Okay, digestion system. And kidneys help us to filter the blood, okay, and remove bad things from that. Understand, right? Okay, boys, after reading these functions of the major organs, we are moving towards the question. Question is on page number 9. The question is, what does each organ do? Copy and complete the table in your investigation notebook.
ليه هو كل شيء مادة؟ لا
Notebook.
ما بيصير مادة ليه أجيبه؟
حاتم لا تفتح مايك يا حبيبي. Don't open your mic. You are talking to others and open your mic. Okay. Table investigation notebook using the names of the organs in the word bank. One has been done for you. Look here in the word bank. Here you can see in this word bank, you have names of the organs: liver, heart, kidneys, brain, stomach and intestines, and lungs. Okay. So we are going to write here, like they wrote brain for us. Brain acts as the body center. Okay, as the body's control center. So next one is the organ which we will write here. It breaks down food and takes in water. Which is that organ? Right here. Okay, you will write here. Next one, pumps blood around the body. Pumps blood. Okay, filter out ammonia and urea. Filter out ammonia and urea. Removes poisons from the blood. Removes poisons from the blood. Last one we have, take in air. take in air. You are required to write the answers here. Okay, this is it for today.